In Kenya today, there is growing need for both reliable electricity and strong internet connections. As homes, offices, and institutions expand, people need not just power, but also good wiring for data and internet. This creates a real opportunity for a combined electrical and internet installation business. First, you must understand your market deeply. You don't have to do everything at once. Pick a niche that is underserved in your area. Maybe office Wi-Fi and data cabling in a neighborhood, or setting up fiber lines in growing housing estates. Doing a solid survey will help you know where to focus. Next, set up your business legally. Register with the right Kenyan authorities. Make sure your team has certified electricians and network technicians. You will also need to stick to national electrical safety standards and follow proper rules for cabling and fiber installations. Once you are licensed and legal, you need tools. Get good quality cable, Cat6, fiber optic, testers, splicers, meters, safety gear, ladders. For network work, you also need routers, switches, patch panels, and access points. Buying quality gear may cost more, but it pays off with better work and fewer problems later. Your team matters. Hire people who are trained and invest in continuous training so they can handle fiber splicing, structured cabling, or network certification. Also, make sure everyone knows how to work safely around live wires and how to carry out work that looks neat and professional. When you set prices, think about different models. You can charge by project, for example, full Wi-Fi and fiber install, or by the work involved, like by meter of cable or per access point. Also offer support contracts, maintenance, repairs, and upgrades. This gives you income that keeps coming in. Marketing is key. Build a website and show real examples of your work. Photos, diagrams, client stories. Use local search tools like Google My Business so that when people look for network installer in Nairobi or electrician in Kisumu, you show up. Also work with builders, real estate developers, and architects to win referrals. On every project, do a proper site survey. Label cables clearly, document network layouts, and always test everything. When you hand over, walk the client through how their system works and give them clean documentation. This builds trust, and trust brings repeat business. To grow, focus on recurring revenue. Managed services, maintenance contracts, and service-level agreements help. Over time, you can also expand, branch out to other counties, or partner with other contractors. Use remote monitoring tools to support your technicians across locations. Branding and credibility are vital. Get certifications for your team, carry liability insurance, and deliver guarantees on your work. When you do high-quality work and back it up, clients will trust you more, and your reputation will grow. There are challenges: power outages, delays in materials, price competition, and sometimes late payments. But these are manageable. Use backup power systems like UPS or solar, build good relationships with suppliers, and always have clear contracts with clients. In the end, the demand in Kenya for both electrical and internet infrastructure is only going to rise. With good planning, technical skill, and a smart business model, you can build a business that not only makes money, but also makes a real contribution to Kenya's digital and physical infrastructure. Do you have a project in mind? We would love to work with you. Get in touch with Tito Creations today by calling, texting, or sending us a WhatsApp message on 0100173748. You can also connect with us on YouTube at Tito Creations. Follow us on TikTok at Tito Creations 254, or visit our website at www.titocreations.co.ke for more information. We look forward to hearing from you and bringing your ideas to life.